നിങ്ങളുടെ പഴയ സ്വർണമോ പൊട്ടിയ സ്വർണമോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 22 ക്യാരറ്റിൽ കുറഞ്ഞ സ്വർണമോ എന്തോ ആയിക്കോട്ടെ, സ്വിസ് ഗോൾഡ് ആൻഡ് ഡയമണ്ട്സിൽ വന്ന് എക്സ്ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത് ഇവിടുത്തെ ആയിരക്കണക്കിന് കളക്ഷൻസിൽ നിന്നും 22 ക്യാരറ്റ് 916 പുതിയ സ്വർണ്ണാഭരണം സ്വന്തമാക്കാം, അതും ഗ്രേറ്റ് ഡിസ്കൗണ്ടോടുകൂടി. സോ ഡു വിസിറ്റ് സ്വിസ് ഗോൾഡ് ആൻഡ് ഡയമണ്ട്സ്, തളിപ്പറമ്പ്.
I am Hana.
I am Zanha. Good evening to all. Honorable Chief Guest VP Nasima, our ward councillor, today's our special guest Mr. Sanid TBZ, cycle rider, our school manager Sri Salahuddin sir, inaugurator Sri Santosh Kumar TN, Circle Inspector of Police, Public School Principal, Vijini teacher, MLP Headmaster Latif sir, teachers and my dear friends. It's a wonderful evening today, the annual day celebration of MLP and public school.
It is an extremely proud and emotional moment for us. Our school is going to complete one more fantastic year. Today is the day to celebrate our young, creative and talented students. I would like to wholeheartedly invite you all to our school annual day celebration. I always take pride in saying that is the institution I belong to because of the unity, integrity and moral it upholds. It is a matter of great honor that our school has completed 79 years.
This is the most awaited section of every event. Within a few minutes, we are going to watch and enjoy gorgeous program. Can I expect a huge round of applause? Thank you.
Now it is time to start this mythical program. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to get that thrill of exciting dramas, energetic dances and power-packed performance of our young talented students? So without wasting further time, let's match out. Now, are you ready to start the programs? I hope all the team students are ready. Now it is time to watch cute and energetic welcome dance of KG girls. They are going to present as a group dance and they are Fatima Riyas, Anvida Srirak, Aisha Mehnur, Inaya Sahad, Aisha Abubakar, Aisha Shahi, Iswa Mehbin and Shanza Siddiq. Please come to the stage.